I'm probably just going to leave it be for a little bit because I hooked it up to my dust collector. There's my dust collector on the left there. When we follow that hose, you'll see my MacGyvering over here where I connected it with duct tape for now into the end of the machine. I will fix that. I've got clamps. I've got a size reducer from 6" to 4". That's one of the projects for today. And you can also see over here, I've got the dust collector teed off. One's going to the back to basically suck all the dust, chitin, etc. that gets stirred up in there. That works really well. And then this other tube, generally what it does is it's got this little small hood on it, and I have a tote that sits here. The Frass falls into it, and then I connect this to one corner of that tote so that it sucks up all the Frass dust that's falling out. Longer term, what I'll do is connect this with a boot, basically, a cloth boot that helps to keep that dust in, doesn't let it out, just lets it all kind of settle down into the container. And then I won't need to dust collect from over here.